So hey you guys, this is Amazon Tay and I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, a hair review, a new method. No you guys, for real, I'm going to be doing a new method today. I'm trying out a new product as well, so that's going to be all done in one. But first things first, I know you guys see this bonnet. And if you see this bonnet, you definitely need to go shop at my new website, glamazontay.com. We have bonnets over there, ebooks, we have merch, we have robes, we have edgy wraps, we have everything. And the bonnet is reversible, so sis, period. See what the bonnet say? It say glam gang, because we are part of the gang, and that's on period. And also, you guys, you need to shop at my store, shop glamazontay.com. We'll be doing a big Black Friday sale. So by the time you guys are seeing this, y'all need to be getting ready. Check out my site, see what's going on over there, because it's going to be giving vibes, energy, it's going to be giving product, it's going to be giving everything. It's going to be giving iconic. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to be collaborating today with DIVASWIGS. I'm going to be using their 6x6 closure HD lace wig. It's curly, it's giving really mamacita Spanish mommy, so I was like, you know, I want to try something new. And also I've been doing so much with my hair lately that I've tried this new little method. It's not too crazy, but I've been doing so much with my hair lately that I don't be using a ball cap method for every single type of hair review, so I thought this would be perfect to show you guys just how I get into my stuff. Okay, I want to show you guys the difference between HD lace and regular lace, and just why HD lace is so much better to me, what I see in a layman's terms. So this is the wig I actually ended up getting, and there's so many details on this wig that I don't want to just go ahead off that. So let me tell you, first things first, when I got the wig, I did end up bleaching the knots. I'll show you guys the products that I ended up bleaching the knots with. I used this developer, and I also used a little bit of this powder, and when I mixed it together, I got a small amount because I wanted to just do the closure. This is the actual wig. This is a little bit bigger than a typical 4x4 closure. 4x4 closure is like this. The 6x6 is a little bit wider. So yeah, I wanted to really try this out because closures to me sometimes just are a lot less work, and I feel like sometimes the 4x4 isn't enough. So, you know, who wouldn't want to have it here? Okay, I wanted to give you guys the difference on HD lace and regular lace. You know, regular lace is what we've been typically using before, but now they've upgraded to Swiss lace. It's been around for a little while, but I haven't talked about it on my channel to you guys, so I felt like, you know, I might as well do my spiel. As you can see, it's a lot thinner, and a lot of times it's a lot more see-through. And Swiss lace is a lot better because it's a lot thinner, and it also is a lot more see-through than regular lace. And most times when you get Swiss lace, it comes with, I don't know if you guys can see, it's so freaking transparent you really can't tell, but I'm gonna put my hand up here so you guys can see. You see how it has that little jagged edge? Every time I got Swiss lace, it's always had that jagged edge. I don't know if it's because it comes like that every single time, but you can see it down here. It literally comes with this little jagged edge. So I don't know, it always comes like that. This lace is always thinner, it's a lot more softer. You have to be careful with it because when you pluck it, you couldn't potentially put holes in it, but it just makes it look a lot more better when you're blending it on women that are lighter skin toned, because with me sometimes I get lace and it's a lot darker than I am and it doesn't blend as well. So I prefer always to have like transparent lace or Swiss lace. Now this lace right here, this is a wig that I got from another company, and I won't name that company right now, but that company, they gave me kind of regular lace with my wig, and you can see how it's a lot more whiter. Sometimes it's a lot more darker. In this particular case, it ended up being a lot lighter. See how I put it against my skin? This one, you can't even see it anymore. Literally, it's the lace on it. You can't even see it anymore. With this one, you put it on and you see how you can still see that filming of a color. Now, I'm in such a good mood today. I'm feeling good. So basically, let me show y'all what my hair is giving. This is my hair. This is my real hair. Y'all know I've been growing it for a little bricky a while. I got some inches on my ass, you hear me? So basically with my hair right now, I'm not gonna do anything with it. I wanted to braid this into one flat braid. This is gonna be like something real little and quickie because, you know, I gotta get out to do it. So, and I wanted to be flat. So I literally braided all these braids. I left this one out because normally I'll braid it, but me braiding it all together right now, I don't got the time. So I'm just gonna put in a ponytail and I'm just gonna secure it like that. Then I'm actually going to end up taking this stocking cap and putting it right on my edges, and then I'm gonna pull it back because When you have transparent, it sees all this. So it's gonna see them lines of demarcation. I ain't got time for it. So I want to take a little bit of this and spread on here and just do this. Cause it's not gonna need much. You can see how the color is already coming through on it. You see that? Okay. And then we're gonna put this on. Let me show y'all. So let me show y'all something big. If I had this right here, cause you know normally sometimes you can do that with the thicker laces, you'll be able to see the line. So for example, when I put it there, see how you'll be able to see the line? That's the wig right there. So that's why I'm really hesitant on putting it here. I just let it go with my natural hairline because that just actually helps it to blend more better. So I'll pull this back, pull that all back right there, and then put it up in front of it. And that looks a lot better than actually seeing something, you know what I mean? So by the time it's right here and we get to the hairline part, we gonna be Gucci. I want to see where I'm gonna have it. And I did bleach the knots. I'm not gonna cap. I feel like I over bleached them a little bit, but I'm not tripping. Because often I do over bleach my knots just a little bit so it can help it look more natural. Just sometimes, not all the time. So I don't know if I want a middle part or do I want like a little side sweep. Could do a little side sweep. And since it's a 6x6, it has a way bigger parting space as you guys can see. And I'm going to actually adhere it. I'm going to be using today a new product that I've been trying out, and it is actually this one. This product is the My Own Dynasty collection. It's the Lace Melt-In Spray with humidity resistance maximum hold. It pretty much says all you have to do is shake well, hold 10 to 12 inches from hair or lace spray across the hairline, work in sections, apply lace, and blow dry on a cool setting. Repeat until the lace is completely secure and tie down for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. Yet easy to remove, be bold, defy gravity, and protect your edges. So I wanted to try something new today because, girl, I've been doing so much stuff lately. So I think that I just want to peel this back. And I'm just gonna spray this down. So y'all see me spraying it. Woo! And we're just gonna put this on it right there. This is where I'm okay with it. I don't think it's too far. We do have Glam Gang scarves if you guys want to purchase those. Those are available on glamazonte.com. So what I'm going to do right now is take my Glam Gang scarf and actually put this on and secure it. So it says leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm about to see what time it is now. The time it is now is pretty much 12:59. So I'm gonna come back around like 1:15, I guess, so we can see what it's doing and how it's holding up. Okay, so y'all, it's 1:19. So what I'm about to do now is take the scarf off and see what it's giving, because I left it on the whole entire time because I was like, I need to see. Damn, this shit is on. Oh my god, it really is on. Dang. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, it's really on. I've been trying to find my razor for the last 20 minutes, but it's giving it might be having to be scissors. Y'all see me gliding it? I'm not trying to cut it really because it's gonna make it too, ooh. Girl, that shit is melt the fuck in. Oh, I'm in shock. I gotta call my motherfucking homegirl. Girl, this glue is the shit. One of my subscribers sent me this. Miss Mama's. Girl, look at this melt.
Oh, holy crap.
And it's this.
Spray, bitch. Hold on. Let me take a screenshot of that.
Girl, literally,
Bitch.
I just filmed it too. Say it to the people.
Albiana.
Girl.
Bro, what lace? I'm gonna be zooming to your face.
Right. The only piece is I gotta cut this little piece off, but shit don't even look bad.
Shit.
And then now I see these little pieces. I guess they didn't get it good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray them. But it's not a glue because a glue wouldn't be able to remove it. I feel like I could still, if I really wanted to, I feel like I could lift it up. Because look at the corner. Like I feel like I could really lift that up if I still wanted to.
And then just peel it off.
Yeah.
Damn. So this is probably safer for your head. It's probably like short term. It looks good as fuck though.
You wanted to see the results.
I did, honey. You came with the fucking results.
So I don't know if I want to do my hair like this with a little space over, or do I want to do my hair like 2 ponytails? I really feel like I want to do 2 ponytails though. Just to start us off, I'm gonna start over this way. Let me comb it out so you can see exactly how much hair it is. So while I'm trying to figure out how I want to style it, I want y'all to see just how much hair this is, because this is a wig, it's not bundles. So this is how much hair it is. I'm gonna take my concealer and go through and stick it in the middle. You see that? So I'm just covering over with my concealer, and that's taking it all the way to the back. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I prefer this one just because it has like a really small nozzle, and I'm just gonna coat this in. And see how I'm fixing it? And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my powder and I'm gonna do this. You can follow that thing all the way out. Now the hot comb I'm going to be using is my Kendra's Boutique hot comb. I love this hot comb because it gets really hot. And I do put it on while it's a little damp because that just helps to seal it in place. I don't be waiting. Honey, it's the salon secrets for me. But I think I want to do 2 braids. Just because I ain't never did nothing like that before. Or 2 twists. Either one. I don't really care. I'll put more concealer here. Look at that. Make it stick out even more. So you guys, this is my ending result of what it looks like. I did 2 little braids so I can make something cute. I probably honestly will take these out though. I'm not sure what style I'm gonna do with it. I might just wear it down. But I wanted to show y'all something different than what I normally do. But when I tell you this adhesive, the melting spray, it don't even say it's glue. It just literally is something that melts it, but it's not glue. I don't know what it is. It's just like something that provides like a maximum hold. But honestly, like I said, it's really easy because if I really wanted to, I could just start pulling this up and it comes right up. Like literally, if I wanted to start pulling up, I could pull it up and look. But it still is, I don't know what it is, but it's not glue. So, honey, that's the gag. It looks really cute though. So I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair, but I'm gonna take a few pictures like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys are interested into this wig, check the description because everything will be down there for that. And also, if you guys are interested in some Black Friday sales, check out my store, glamazante.com, as well as my store, shop, glamazante.com. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. And don't forget to comment below because you love me back. So I'm gonna see you guys. Mwah. See ya.